Hey there, welcome back to my channel Code Canvas. Today we are diving into an exciting topic that I have been eager to share with you. Before we jump in, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's start with our video. In this video, we are going to learn CSS property flex. So, the flex CSS shorthand property sets how a flex item will grow or shrink to fit the space available in its flex container. So the flex property is a sub-property of the flexible box layout module. Flex property is a shorthand for the flex grow, flex shrink, and flex basis CSS properties. Okay, so the second and third parameters, flex shrink and flex basis, are optional parameters. Okay, so how this property works, let's see. So in CSS, how we are going to apply this property? For example, we have one container or one let's say flex item, not container, one item. So we can use flex 1 and 100 pixel. So first value is 1, second is 100 pixel. So this is equal to, let me give the optional values. We can also use flex grow. The value is 1, which is this first value, and the second value we can give flex basis, and value is 100 pixel. So if we can use flex 1 space 100 pixel, you can use flex grow as 1 and flex basis as 100 pixel. So it is shortened property. Okay, also you can use flex shrink and inherit. So we don't have to use inherit because this is the default value. So when you use like flex 1 space 100 pixel, this is its equivalent value. So instead of using three parameters, or you can say three properties like flex grow, flex basis, and flex shrink, you can use flex with one value. First value is flex grow, second value is flex basis, and third value is flex shrink. So right now that is inherit, that is default value. Okay, so this is how this property works. So there are few common properties for flex. So first of all, let's see the first example, flex 0 auto. So whenever you are going to create a new HTML or going to make CSS for that HTML responsive design, in that case, this is a very commonly used value, flex 0 space auto. So this is same as flex initial. So this is initial value. Okay. So how this works? And the shortened property for default value is, so we can use flex 0. The first value is 0, second value is 1, third value is auto. Okay, so this is same as this flex 0 space auto. Okay, so its sizes. So what this flex property, this flex value do, it sizes the item based on its width and height properties. It makes the flex item inflexible when there is some free space left, but allows it to shrink to its minimum when there is not enough space. So this is how this first common property works, flex 0 space auto. The second property is flex auto, only auto. Okay, so in that case all three values are auto, but not all three. So let's see how this works. So this flex auto is equivalent to what value? Flex 0 space auto. Okay, so what does this value do? Let's see. So it sizes the item according to its width, height properties, but makes it fully inflexible. So this is similar to flex initial, but one exception is there. It is not allowed to shrink even where overflow is there. Okay, so this is a second common value for flex, and third common value is flex some number, positive number. So let's see, flex 1 0 pixel. Okay, so what does this flex property do? It makes the flex item flexible and sets the flex basis to 0. So this is 0. Okay, second value is 0, flex basis is 0. So this will result in an item that receives the specified proportion of the remaining space. Okay, so if all items in the flex container use this pattern, their sizes will be proportional to the specified flex factor. So this is very important value for flex property as well. So let's see one actual example. Let me remove this CSS. Okay, let's go to our HTML. Let me remove this div. Let's say in let me remove this section as well. We don't need section right now. So okay, so in body, let's say we have one header tag, and let me give one value header, and class is header. Okay, with header we have one main class, main and main. So this is main body part. Okay, aside, that is our sidebar, and we can give name is sidebar, the class name. Okay, and let's give sidebar as content, and the last is footer, class footer, and footer as content. Okay, so let's see how this looks. So this is how this looks. Okay, so to use our flex properties, what we can do, first of all, let me comment out our body. So we are not going to use this body, we will apply new body class. So in body we are going to use display as flex, so we are going to use flex property for complete body. Okay, so you can see now all items are in flex, display flex, and flex rep value is rep. Okay, we will see what this uh, flex rep property do. Okay, now the next property is everything in body. Let's say whatever you have in body, we need to apply some common properties. Let's say background color, give some light background color, padding 3 em or 2 em is fine, text align center, so we can look it, we can see that in a better way, and border, let's give a 5 pixel solid white. Okay, so you can see some space with that border. Okay, so this is how it looks right now. Let me remove this footer as well if there is anything. No, there is no CSS for footer, we'll see. Okay, so after that, what we can do, we need to apply what we have to do, we need header to utilize 100% width, footer also 100% width, and main and sidebar should divide into two parts. Okay, so to do this, what we can do, first of all, let's select our header, and in property header, what we can use, flex 1, and second value is 100 pixel. Let's see what it does. Okay, so now you can see we have header, and we can also give the same footer. Okay, so footer should be like this. Okay, so with this header and footer, let's give our sidebar. In sidebar, we can give flex property as 1 and dot main. We can give flex property as 2 and let's see how it works. Sidebar main header footer, sidebar footer main. Okay, okay. In body, we have given flex rep display flex. Yeah, display flex is fine. So what's wrong here? Ideally, this header should cover the 100% of this particular area. Let's see what's wrong here. So header is flex 100. Okay, so here it should be 100%, not 100 pixel. So it will cover 100% of this area. Yes, let's see why this color is not as we have given. So footer class is there. I think we have footer class. Okay, this is coming from the library, CSS library. That's fine. We can use that footer. Okay, so footer is fine. Let me close this. And now you can see we have header, main, sidebar, and footer. Right. So this is very common and very you can say very easy to create CSS HTML using flex property. Okay. So what we have done here, first of all, we have added these flex items to be displayed on the multiple rows using this flex rep. Okay. So after that, then what we have done, then we tell both of the header here and footer, giving this flex 100% value, to take 100% of the current viewport width, no matter what. Okay, so that's why it is taking 100% width. So second value, right? So second value it is taking as 100% in this flex property. And the main content, this the main content and both the sidebars will share the same row, because we have given flex rep. This sidebar and main will share the same row, and sharing the remaining space as 60%, or you can say 66%. This will cover 66% and this will cover 33%. Okay, so using this flex property, you can create a very commonly used and you can say very attractive HTML. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, leave a comment down below with your thoughts on this video. I will catch